Hi, this is Colette Stryker here. I wanted to take a moment to explain to you the ladder of emotions and how important and useful it can be. So you see the emotions are laid out in order from the bottom of them, of the ladder. You see the most difficult, painful, resisted experiences you can have in life. Those feelings of fear and depression and powerlessness. So that's in the dark black zone here at the bottom. And then as you feel better and better and you release the resistance in your field, in your energy field, you feel better and you feel different emotions. These are literally different radio stations that have different frequencies. And as you release negative thoughts and belief, you begin to lift up and feel better and better. So as you see here, the little separation at the top of the ladder that gives towards the sun, everything at the top of the ladder are emotions that you feel when you're in complete alignment with your higher self. When you feel one, when you feel in flow, when you feel that you're in this flow zone where everything works out for you, and where you have, of course, at the same time, extremely positive thoughts. Because what happens is thoughts create emotions. Thoughts create tension in your system, and negative thoughts create a lot of tension, and it translates in your body as negative emotions. Positive thoughts releases tension, lets the energy flow, and open you up to your highest potential and your highest level of happiness and possibilities. So look at the ladder whenever you want to understand where you are and where you want to go. Now, what is very important to know is you cannot jump too far ahead. Like if you are depressed and you want to be joyful, this is not a possibility. You can just shoot for the next logical higher rung on the ladder. So, for example, if you are depressed, go towards anger and try to think about something that makes you angry. It might not feel like logical, but actually anger is higher than depression. It's a feeling of power. So for the first time, when you are in anger, you're taking back your power. Of course, it's not about hurting anyone, but it's about you saying enough is enough. And that is super powerful. So when you feel depressed, look for any things that you can remember, any memory, any thought, any way of seeing the situation that could bring you some kind of anger. You might go even lower than that, some revenge if you want to feel revenge. All those feelings have no judgment on them. These are just frequencies on a radio station. You're just tuning into a different frequency, and that depends on the thoughts you have. So really, there is no right and wrong. It's just that the ladder shows you how to feel better and better, how to be aligned with your highest self that will help you be happy in life and much more successful and joyful and absolutely have a beautiful life. So as I was saying, you can't really jump too far ahead. So just shoot for the next kind of emotion. And if you are in the middle or at the higher part of the middle, it's pretty easy to go up. So it goes pretty fast after that. And that's where Map on the Go, which is the self-help tool that we developed at the Map Coaching Institute, allows you to go up this ladder just by giving some commands to your brain. And when you learn Map on the Go, it's an excellent tool to keep you up the ladder, to stay up the ladder. And there are also training, like the e-training classes that we give every week with Valentin Stryker, who is the co-founder of that method. You can have guidance, like join groups, like MAP group coaching, where you can learn how to master your emotions and thoughts so that you end up living at the top of the ladder in your fullest potential. So I think that's what I wanted to say about this ladder. Just print it out, download it, put it on your fridge, and ask yourself, where do I navigate? Am I at the bottom? Am I in the middle? Am I at the top most of the time? Where do you spend your day? And the goal being to be at the top of the ladder, 80, 90% of the time. That's kind of a big goal. But when you get to that place, then your life is flowing, because with the law of the universe, the law of attraction, or also the law of resonance, it's the same law. It's like you are resonating with the feelings that you're feeling. So if you feel good, you're resonating, you have a frequency of feeling good, and you are attracting similar situations, events, people who are resonating with you. And this is really the goal. The more you master your emotions, the more you can control your world. And the more you can have the most exciting and loving and successful life. So mastering your emotions and thoughts are actually absolute key to success. So I hope this was helpful. I want to hear from you. So if you have any comments, please share it. And I'll see you soon in another video. Have a beautiful day.